Good afternoon, everyone. Shubha Navabasho. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today, I am going to take your class lesson 2. That means national and local level of election. So, national and local level of election. National. So, on the basis of the level, there are two types of election which are held in our country. That is national level of election and local level of election. Okay. So, before starting the class, you will watch one video. Thank you, everyone. Now, national level of election. Generally, there are three elections held at the national level of elections, national level in our country. First one is the Jatiyo সংসদ election. Just now, we have watched one video. What was that? Yes, Jatiyo সংসদ Bhavan, isn't it? Yes, that is our national legislature. The national legislature of Bangladesh is called the Jatiyo সংসদ. Legislature means আইন বিভাগ. Okay, আইন in where all the rules and regulations form, and there are 350 seats in this parliament. 300 members of this parliament are elected through direct election. Again, these elected members cast their votes and elect 50 reserved seats for women. They legislate and conduct policy making for the country. The government is formed on the basis of majority of members of Jatiyo সংসদ. Besides, there are one speaker, that means Dr. Shirin Sharmin Chaudhary, who conducts the parliamentary session, and one deputy speaker who conducts the parliamentary session in absence of speaker. Okay, that means in the Jatiyo সংসদ election, there will be total 350 seats, but 300 members are elected directly from 300 constituencies. Constituencies means in the type of election, the total Bangladesh divided into 300 constituencies. Constituency means the area of holding election. That means in Bengali, Nirbachoni Elaka. Okay. Like Panchagor, there is 2 seats. The number is 1 and 2. But Pabna, there is 5 seats. The Shodor number is 72. So our seat nong is 72. Clear? So like the whole Bangladesh, there are 300 seats, and each seat there will be one elected candidate. Clear? And the elected members of the parliament, they again cast vote and choose the 50 female members for the parliament. Okay, so this is the 50 female members who are elected. This is an indirect process because the citizen, they do not cast vote directly to choose these 50 female members. Clear? But 300 members, they are directly elected by the vote. Understand, everyone? Okay. So you when you have watched the video, you have seen the total picture of the parliament. There are many seats over there, and those who are the member of the parliament, they will sit in the respective places or respective seats over there. Okay, and they will conducting they will discuss different issues regarding our country, like this. Next, that is election of president. Already I have explained the procedure of election in my previous classes, but again, it is an indirect election. I have explained the members of the parliament cast vote and elect president. The tenure of president is 5 years. Clear? Third one is referendum. It is called Gano vote. Gano means the citizen. Okay. And it is held for taking the opinion of the public or validation or justification of any important issue. But it has been scrapped or amended by the 15th Amendment of the Constitution. But it is in practice in other countries. So, in this type of election is held when the government wants to know the public opinion. Okay, up to date in Bangladesh, 3 times this type of referendum election held. That is first time in 1977, second 1985, and thirdly 1999. 3 times held in our country. Suppose in your class, if I want to know your opinion, that is just now I will take your test. So that time some of you say yes miss, some of you will tell that is no miss, isn't it? So if you will agree, that time I will tell that is those who are agree, write yes, you will write yes, or you will raise your hand, and those who are showing no. Okay, and if majority is yes, so that means I will take your test, otherwise not. So like this referendum election is held through yes or no, and there will be no ballot paper like previous. Okay, just if you will agree with this opinion, you will cast your vote for yes, or if you will not agree with this opinion, you will cast your vote for no. Understand? Okay. There is one homework for you. Mr. Rahman is an elected representative of our country. The citizens directly cast vote and choose him. He often goes to school, sorry, goes to Dhaka to join the parliamentary session. He discusses about the problems of his locality. I hope A and B you can. What is election and what do you understand by referendum election? Okay, now C number. What type of election is mentioned in the above stem? So be careful. Type. Okay, what type? There are two types of election, direct election and indirect election. So at first you will write there are two types of election, direct election and indirect election. Then you will write some information from the stem, that is though Mr. Rahman is directly elected, the citizen they cast vote and choose him. So obviously this is an indirect, sorry, this is a direct election. Okay, and you will explain only the direct election. Clear? Now D number. Which level of election was Mr. Rahman elected representative of our country? So be careful, here is also level. So on the basis of the level, elections are two types. Okay, national level of election and local level of election. So though over here Mr. Rahman joins the parliamentary session and he discusses about the problems of his locality. Obviously he is he is an member of the parliament. Okay, so he belongs to the national level of election. So who is the election he was elected? In the Jatiya Sanshad election. Very good. So you will write over here in the Jatiya Sanshad election. You will explain about the Jatiya Sanshad election. Hope you understand. Okay. So you will complete this creative and submit to me. Okay. So thank you everyone.